G'day, here's a great example of a piece of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. It's got a couple of seams in it. Looks like this is going, but it's not guaranteed. Looks like it might be going under here. Join up with this. This piece here is coming around, joining up with that. It's got some nice fire in it, as you can see. I think this has got quite a good bit of potential. What you're going to have to do is grind this off here and then see where this face goes secondly, I think. Looks like it moves here in a vertical direction, so I'd say probably stone over here and then see what you're going to get. There's not much else in it. There's a little vein sort of probably finishing here, same with this. It's not going anywhere much, but I think that's got some good potential. Nice fire up at this end especially, again here. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed that, and leave it up to you to explore the piece. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.